How to claim a Shopee voucher from Globe Rewards. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to claim a Shopee voucher from Globe Rewards. Open the Shopee app on your phone. Log into your account and go to the Me tab. Tap on the Vouchers button. You will see all the available vouchers in this section. Scroll down, review more, and use them by tapping the User button. You can use your Globe Rewards points as cash equivalents to pay for products and services at numerous partner stores via the Globe One app. Go to Redeem Rewards and select a voucher. Review the details and tap Redeem. Tap View Pocket to see your voucher's details. Tap the code to use your voucher. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.